Ace Labag rope and racing has it coming. Pivotal now from the outside and running in third speed to Riches. Running by Ruila is entry number 2, that's Pure Energy. Has it coming, leading by flying, followed by Pivotal. 4 lengths back, speed to Riches alongside. Is Pure Energy, then followed by Few and Far between Gigolo J. Cherries, Aliza, Far Lady, while Trillo Victory is running in until the field. Inside the last 600 has it coming with the length leader, followed by Pivotal in second, running in third, speed to Riches and Pure Energy. As they hit the last 400, it still has it coming, leading by some 3 lengths, followed by Pivotal. Speed to Riches, not the outside, third, Pure Energy, but still has it coming, leading by some 4 lengths, followed by Speed to Riches and Pivotal. And up the wire is all has it coming, and finally has it coming. Speed to Riches, Pivotal, Far Lady, Pure Energy, and Thrill of Victory.
2, 5, and 5. 7, 3, 1, 2, and 5.
Yun, lalabas ang datingan natin. Only the second